Hi, it's Nick from Scraping Solutions. Just a quick note about the video you're about to watch. We do not build software to scrape, nor do we encourage any scraping of Zillow.com. But hold on, before you click away, we can still help you. Watch on and learn about the service we provide, supplying the same leads you can find on Zillow.com in a quick, easy, and efficient way. Enjoy the video.
Hello there, in this video we're going to take a look at the Zillow scraper from scrapingsolutions.com.au. The purpose of this scraper is to scrape all the property data from the Zillow.com website. You can do this by inputting a zip code and use additional filters as well. So let's take a look at the program. Right at the top here we have an Edit Search List button. Clicking on that will open a box. Now in this box is where you can enter your zip codes. So as you can see I have some in already. Just enter your zip codes in a list format. When you're ready, just press on OK. Next to that we have the listing type. Now these are your search filters. You can filter by agent, by owner, new construction, and various other options as well. Next to that we have the auto export feature. Now ticking this box will automatically export the data into a file. This file will be saved in the output folder. This folder will be created inside the debug folder once you've opened the program. Okay, so let's start the scraping process. Just press on the start button at the top. And now we're just going to wait for the results. When you're ready to stop the process, just press on the stop button at the top. And then just press on OK. Okay, so as you can see we've collected all that information from the Zillow.com website. Now we can look at all this information by going from left to right using the scroll bars like so. And you've also got up and down as well here. Now in the first column we have the title, and we've got the description, price, Zestimate, rent estimate, and if we scroll across we collect the image URL, the style, square foot, longitude, latitude, status. We've got a home ID column, and we've got parcel ID, lot size, beds, bath, year built, price square foot. We've got features, last sold year, last sold for. We've got the last tax assessment. We've got the address, city, state, zip code. We've got country, listing type, property type, address for. And we've got the listing provider that sometimes collects that. We've got facts, additional features, days on Zillow. We've got the Zestimate difference, tax value difference, features found, listing agent name, listing agent contact number. We've got the owner agent name, owner agent contact number, reference URL, and we've got the URL and also the scrape date. So there's a lot of information this program collects for each different property. Like I said before, because we've got the auto export feature enabled, the program has actually saved the data into a file automatically for us, and I can show you that right now. So we're just going to go into the program folder here. If I just bring it a bit more into view, you just go to debug right here and then just find that output folder. And then there is the data collected in the CSV file. Now it's best to open this when the program has been closed. So you close it first, then you can double click to open it. And in a second I'll show you how to export the data manually. Okay, to export this data manually you just simply go to the Export To button right at the top here. And then when you press on that, this box appears. Now what you need to do is just select a location where you want to put this file. Now I'm just going to choose my Dropbox and then my data folder. And then here is where you enter the file name. So just enter a name for that file. I'll just call it my data. And then you can also save as type. So you can choose a CSV file or an Excel file. So just select from the list there and then just simply press the save button. Okay, so it says export has been completed. Just press on OK. Now if I go to my Dropbox folder where I've put my file, I can now just double click on it to have a look at the contents. So here's the content, it's collected and it's put it into columns here, as you can see, all the data. So it's all been put nicely in order, so you can now use that as you wish. Lastly, we're going to have a look at the settings and take a look at some of the options in there. The max threads, this is useful if you want to speed up the data extraction process, but as a warning, using multi-threads can block your IP quickly, so it's best to use one thread only. The random request delay, this means how many seconds it will take to extract one record. You should use random request delays to avoid an IP block. And just under that we have the random retry on fail delay. So for example, if you have a network error, you can retry the scrape within 3 seconds like I have listed here. You can just increase or decrease the numbers there. And below that we have reset database. Now the program will automatically save the data when you close it and reopen it, so you can resume. But if you want to clear that data, press on the reset database button. I'll just mention some other features of the program. The stop button, which will appear right here when you're doing a scrape. If you want to pause anytime, press the stop button, and then when you come back, press start, and it will resume from the point you left off. The program also features techniques like random time delays, multi-browser use agents to avoid an IP ban. Okay, so that was a look at the Zillow scraper from scrapingsolutions.com.au. If you have a similar requirement to extract data from Zillow.com, you can always buy this software from us and we can completely customize it to your needs within 3 to 5 business days. We also give free 12 months warranty on the software against any HTML changes done by Zillow.com that could stop the software working. But if you are too busy to run a software on your own, you can use our 100% managed data extraction services. So we just send you the data you require daily, weekly or monthly for a small fee. Get in touch with us using our website www.scrapingsolutions.com.au and click on Get a Quote at the top right hand corner of the website. We will then give you a quote for our managed data extraction services, or to buy this software as it is with any modification you like to it. We usually reply within a couple of hours. Don't forget you can check us out on our YouTube channel, the link is on the screen now. Thanks for watching.